Salut everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly press on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to press on the notification bell so that you get notifications anytime I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fund your Ton wallet or your Tonkeeper wallet to be able to pay for gas fees, for airdrops, and also to be able to buy coins on the Ton blockchain. So let's dive into the video. First and foremost, for you to be able to fund your Tonkeeper or your Ton wallet, you would need a coin called Ton. You can deposit USDT into your Ton wallet, but when you deposit USDT into your Ton wallet, you wouldn't be able to buy any coin or perform any transaction. And the only coin that you need in there is Ton USDT. Ton is Toncoin. So for you to get this Toncoin, you can buy it on KuCoin, MEXC, Bybit, and other exchanges. Currently today, Ton got listed on Binance, so you can buy Ton on Binance, but at the moment they've not allowed the withdrawal option. So that means that you have to wait for some time for them to allow the withdrawal option so that you can fund your Tonkeeper wallet using the Binance. But in today's video, since it's not now you cannot do that, in today's video you are going to use KuCoin to do that. So this is my KuCoin wallet, right? This is my KuCoin wallet, and I have some USDT in here. So for example, if you have some USDT in your Binance, you can send that USDT from your Binance to your KuCoin app to be able to buy Ton and send it to your Tonkeeper wallet, or you can even buy it on MEXC. You can even send your USDT to MEXC and do the same thing, right? And you can also buy Ton, right? You can also buy Ton using your card. So when you go to buy and sell on your Tonkeeper wallet, you can buy using your card. You can press on maybe transact. On transact, you can be able to buy Ton using your Visa card, MasterCard, right? But it's kind of expensive, so you need to. So for you to be on the safer side, you can use KuCoin or MEXC to be able to fund your wallet. So now I have some USDT in my KuCoin wallet, so I have to transfer this USDT from funding wallet on my KuCoin to trading wallet. So I press on transfer and I press on max, and I get it in my trading wallet. So now I have about $25 of USDT in my trading wallet. So now you go back home. When you go home, you go to the search button and you search for Ton USDT. So it's the first one, which is 6.15. So you press on it. Then what you do is that you press on buy. When you press on buy, you select I want to use all the money to buy. So you press on max, then 25, then you press on buy. So when you press on buy, now I've bought Ton. But maybe when you are doing yours will be on limit, right? Limit in here, so change it to market. So now I've bought the Ton. So what I need to do is that for me to transfer this Ton out of my KuCoin wallet, I have to send it to my funding wallet to be able to do that. So you press on transfer, then you select Ton. So the money is in my trading wallet. So trading wallet will be at the top and funding will be at the down. So I press on Ton, then I press on max. So I've transferred the money from my trading wallet to my funding wallet. So now I have my Ton in my funding wallet. So now I can withdraw. So you press on it. When you press on it, you would see withdrawal, right? So what you need to do is that you press on withdraw. When you press on withdraw, you need to go and get your USDT, your Ton wallet address from your Tonkeeper or your Ton wallet. So now let's go back. So this is my Ton wallet. So you press on receive in here and you copy your wallet address. So now I've copied my wallet address. What I need to do is I need to go back to my KuCoin, paste the address. When you paste the address, you press on done. Then the network is Ton, right? And with this, when you are transferring money from KuCoin to your Ton wallet, Tonkeeper wallet, you don't need a memo. So you didn't type anything at where the memo is. Then press on max, then you press on withdraw. So here I have to perform some security functions, then confirm. So I have to type receive an email, a code for my email. So let's see. So this is basically how to do it, right? So the code is in. So where's the code? So the code is 233163, right? So you paste the code in here, then two-factor authentication, which will be KuCoin. Where's my KuCoin? So 091391. I'm done. So now I've sent the money to my wallet. So now I have to wait for some time for the money to reflect in my wallet. So the money has finally arrived in my wallet. So this is basically how to fund your Tonkeeper wallet. So it's nice having you all in this session. And in the next session, I'll show you how to buy coins in your Ton wallet, and also how to transfer money from your Binance to fund your Phantom wallet. So it's nice having you all in this session. Bye.